So dear friends, welcome back to Shasha's virtual classroom. So today we'll be discussing exam style questions from Statement of Financial Position, David Hopkins' latest book. So you can just answer yourself and then cross check with the solutions here. So the owner of a business has taken goods for her own use. She has withdrawn, but no entry has been made in the books to record this. Which row will show the effect of this? Which row will show effect of this on the statement of financial position? So she has taken drawings, she has taken goods, but it has not been entered. So what will happen? So inventory will be showing more. So it is not possible. This cannot be, this cannot be, this cannot be, this can be, and this can be. So because you have taken out the inventory and you have not shown, so it will be showing more. So what will happen on the credit side? I mean, the other effect, the capital you should have credited the capital. You should have taken out from the capital. So it is impossible that it cannot have any effect on capital. It will be too large. So obviously, yes, capital will be too large because it would not have been debited. So this is the option. D is the answer. The following information has been extracted from a statement of financial position at 31st March 2020. So what was the balance on the capital account at 31st March 2020? So they are given non-current assets, current assets. So what is the total assets? Add up this. So any other assets are there? Current liability is a liability, long-term loan is a liability, profit so will come in the capital. So drawings also will come in the capital. Profit will obviously credit itself. Drawings will be obviously minus figure, right? So it would have been subtracted. So this you add both 275 plus 54,000, 275 plus 54. So the total assets is 3,29,000. So the total liability should be equal to this. So this should be the so assets will be equal to liability. So you know, in accounting equation, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So you know assets. So assets are 329,000. So 329,000 is equal to liabilities plus capital. Liabilities is what? This and this are liabilities. 28,000 plus 67,000. 28,000 plus 67,000. So 95,000. So 95,000. So plus capital. Capital is not given. So it is balancing figure. But they have given other items. So they have given, this is eliminated. Only these two are given. So 31,000 minus 42,000. So it is 9,000. 11,000 minus 11,000. So here it is minus 11,000. So minus 11,000 plus X, some amount. Okay, so there is some amount which is X. So you need to simplify. So what you will do? You take this side. So 3,29,000 minus 95,000 is 3,29,000 minus 95 is 234,000. 234,000. So this you can take out this also. This side minus 11,000. This is already minus, so it will become plus. This is already minus, no? Minus 11,000, right? Because it is drawings. Minus 11,000. You have put it in bracket, right? So this will become plus when this comes this side. So basic maths, if you are bad in basic maths, so I can just show you here. assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. So assets is 329,000 is equal to liabilities. Liabilities is this plus this 95,000 plus capital we don't know, so we can keep it as it is capital. We write it as capital itself. So now 329,000 minus 95,000 is equal to capital. So 329,000 minus 95,000 is 234,000. 234,000 is equal to capital. But in capital, this includes one figure. This is what all is here. This side 31,000 minus 42,000. See, opening capital plus profit minus drawings. Correct. So this is what is capital, right? So capital is profit drawings. Opening capital plus profit minus drawings. So now you do one thing. So you keep opening capital this side. You just take out profit also this side. You take out you take drawings also this side. So what will happen? 334,000. So plus profit will become minus profit. So you know this is basic maths. So when plus comes this side, it becomes minus. So minus becomes plus. So minus drawings become plus drawings is equal to opening capital. Opening capital you keep as opening capital here itself as it is. So now opening 234,000 minus what is profit? Profit is 31,000. What is drawings? 42,000. Drawings is 42,000. Is equal to opening capital. So now subtract all this. Let us see. Calculate 234 minus 31 plus 42 is 245 is equal to opening capital. So this is what we want, right? So this is what we want. So 245,000 is the answer. So the answer is 245,000. So it is simple. If you know basic maths, then it's very simple. Otherwise it's a bit complicated. But by understanding this, by doing this in this particular steps, you can do it easily. Okay, so this is done. Then the next one, let us see what is there in the next question. Which of the following is not correct? Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. This is correct. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. So capital you keep here, assets minus liabilities. This is also correct. Capital minus liabilities is equal to assets. This is wrong. So this have to be both the sides. This is wrong. So liabilities is equal to liabilities you keep here, assets will come here, or you keep this side, assets minus capital. This is correct. So this is wrong. So this is the answer. Which of the following is not correct? So C is not correct. That's it. Okay. Next. Fourth one, the following trial balance have been extracted from Exxon books at 31st December 2019. So advertising, bank, capital, all these things they are given. So expenses all is given. So inventory at 31st December, profit for the year was 50,756. Okay. So prepare X and S statement of financial position for the year ended 31st December 2019. So very simple question. I think you should be able to do it in a quicker time. So let's have a competition. Let's check who can do it faster. So whether you or me. So and we will see who will be right. Okay. So we can just start working out, and you can just visit this solution once again after you have finished it. So let's start. So non-current assets. So what are non-current assets? Equipment, fixture. What is equipment? How much is equipment? Equipment is 42,190. Fixture is 29,234. So that's all. Non-current. Motor vehicles is here 17,459. So that's all. So no other correct. So this is non-current assets. Now come to current assets. Just total this and put here 42,190 plus 29,234, 29,234 plus 17,459, 17,459, 88, 883, 88, 883. Current assets. So let us see what are the current assets. So bank balance is there. So first let us make a list. So what is required? Bank is required. This 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 is not required. This is required. This is required. This is not required. This is required. This is not required. This is not required. This is required. This and this is not required. Okay. So in this, what all we have taken? So now come to current assets. So what are the current assets? Inventory. Inventory is given here. In the question 35331 inventory. Remember ITC? Inventory. Always write it. Remember it. ITC. Remember ITC. Inventory should come first. Inventories 35331. 35331. T. Trade receivables. Trade receivables. How much is trade receivables? 26043. 26043 trade receivables, then ITC cash in hand is there? No cash. Bank balance is there. Bank balance is there. 8802. Add and write. 35331 plus 26043 plus 8802 70176 70176 add plus 88883 159059 159059 total assets okay. So now capital on the liability side, capital. So opening capital. So what is opening capital? Opening capital is given here 71,400. So less drawings 51,500. Plus profit. What is the profit? $50,756. So just calculate 71,400 plus 50756 minus 51,500 229715 2297. How is it possible? Not be, wait, there is some mistake. 71,400 minus 51,500 plus 50,756, right? Yes, 50,756. 3,756. 70656. 70656. 70656. So this is open or capital. So now comes current, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. So bank loan. So repayable by 2023. So how much? 46006. 46006. So current liabilities. Current liabilities. What all is included in current liabilities? Current liabilities. Trade payables 42397. Four two three nine seven. Now we add plus 46006 plus 159059 159059. So this is total liabilities. One five nine zero five nine. So total assets 159059. So this is statement of financial position, non-current assets. This one, non-current liability, non-current assets, current assets, total assets, capital, non-current liabilities, current liabilities, total 159059. So we're done. So this is the end of statement of financial position lesson. So practice more and more questions, because questions are often asked from statement of financial position, and you have to be very fast. And along with this, you may have to do a lot of adjustment questions also, so which we will be continuing from the next class. So next class is based on theory, so but very important. So I have observed a lot of students, they ignore theory, they focus only on practical questions, thinking they are more important and theory is less important. So they don't do that. So everything is important, everything is scoring. So please try to learn everything. Okay, so don't skip anything at all. So have a good day, good night, take care, bye.